Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create moving lines animations in CapCut. So in here, you can just prepare a background or your video first, and then here I'm going to write text first. So I'm going to make the animations to move between the text 1 to text 2. So here I'm going to just write A, for example. I'm going to change the style. Okay, here I'm going to move the A in here, then I'm going to copy it, and here I'm going to put the text, the next text in here. For example, let's write B. Okay, I'm going to change the style like this. Now add the I'm going to add the lines animation. So go to overlay and add overlay. So I create this line overlay in Canva, and please make sure that the line doesn't have any background like this, so it must be on PNG format. You can change the size and rotate it like this. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. Let's see the text first to see if I put it in the right position. Okay, so I'm going to put B here, and for the lines, okay, so now click on the lines overlay and go to mask to create the animation. You need to use masking feature. Click on the horizontal option and rotate it. So click on adjust, click on rotate, and rotate it. Rotate the masking to 90 degrees like this. And now put the masking at the top like this. Add a keyframe at the start and go to where you want the animation to stop, and drag the masking all the way down like this. Now click on a check icon, and this is the result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.